How to fix Snapchat when it says allow camera access. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll show you the way on how you can fix if Snapchat says you to allow the camera access. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, what happens is that let's say you're trying to launch the Snapchat application and you're not being able to send and receive snaps because it would simply ask you to actually allow the camera access. And there is a simple way on how you can actually allow camera access on Snapchat. In order to do that, first of all, let's say your camera permissions are not allowed. What you have to do is you have to simply go ahead and then launch the settings app. Once you launch the settings app, you'll be able to see all sorts of various options, and you just have to go to the option which says apps. So go ahead and then select apps. Once you find apps, what you want to do is on the list of these apps, we want to go ahead and then simply search for Snapchat. So let me just go ahead and then look for the Snapchat app on this page. Once you find Snapchat, select it and tap on it. And as you tap on it, first of all, in order to allow camera permissions, go to the option which says permissions over here. Once you go to permissions, you want to go ahead and then select camera, and as you select camera, yours could be set to don't allow, but you want to change that to allow only while using the app, or to allow. So it could have been set to never allow or don't allow. In your case, you have to make sure to actually set it to allow, and that would most likely fix your issue. Now you could come back and you could try to open Snapchat, and that is going to help you with the issue. And this is how you can fix if Snapchat says allow camera access. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.